Hey guys, it's Shaan and today I'm going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications as we are almost at 5,000 subscribers. But other than that, let's get started.
So unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you first get the phone itself. Underneath that, you get the power adapter, a USB-C to USB-A, what is a really nice thing for Samsung to actually have included. Also in the box, there is a USB-C cable itself and AKG earbuds with extra pairs of ear tips to fit your ears exactly. Surprisingly, to the top of the box, there's another Samsung box, but towards the back of it, you get the SIM card eject tool, and inside that, you get the quick start guide and more papers. So now taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, it looks amazing. Looking at the display, you get a 6.4-inch Infinity O dynamic OLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3040. It has a 19 by 9 aspect ratio and Gorilla Glass 6. It also comes with a pre-installed screen protector, what is really nice to have, so then you don't have to go and purchase one yourself. This display is amazing to watch videos on YouTube or even movies and shows. On the processor side, we get a Snapdragon 855 with the Adreno 640, and these are just amazingly fast. No matter what task you throw at this phone, it can handle it. For the storage, it has 128 gigabytes and is configurable for up to 1 terabyte, what is so much storage to actually have on a phone. It also comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. This makes the phone run so smooth and with no lag at all, and multitasking is so easy. Not even all laptops have 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's actually pretty cool. It also comes with Android Pie out of the box with Samsung's One UI 1.1. For the cameras, it has many. On the back, it comes with 3 cameras. The first one being a 12 megapixel at f1.5 to 2.4 dual pixel with optical image stabilization wide angle camera. The second one is also a 12 megapixel camera but at f2.4 with optical image stabilization, and this is a telephoto camera. And the third camera on the back is 16 megapixels at f2.2 ultra wide camera. For recording, the back cameras can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second, what is amazing to have that on a phone. Now towards the front of the phone, it has 2 cameras. The first one being a 10 megapixel camera at f1.9 dual pixel wide angle camera, and the second camera is an 8 megapixel at f2.2 with depth sensor and a wider angle camera. Now for recording, the front cameras can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second, what is actually insane to have that on a front camera on a smartphone. Now for the sound, the S10 Plus comes with stereo speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack, what is rare to find on phones now, but yet is one of the best things to have. It also has Dolby Atmos and active noise cancellation with a dedicated mic. On the wireless side, it has 802.11 AC AX Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. For some of the features that the Galaxy S10 Plus have are a heart rate sensor, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and is also IP68 water and dust proof. For the battery, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus comes with a huge 4100 mAh battery. I was able to go through a whole day and not charge it overnight and use it in the morning till I filmed the video where I was at 43% with just over 4 hours of screen on time, and I am expecting at least 6 hours of screen on time, but it can probably go up to 7 or 8 hours if you are watching videos. For charging the battery through the USB-C cable, it has a fast 15-watt charging speed. For charging it wirelessly, it has a fast 15-watt wirelessly charging speed. And for power share feature, what is the ability to reverse wireless charge to another phone, it has a 9-watt charging speed, what is actually pretty quick. Now the question everyone is here for is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus worth it? Yes, without a doubt, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is going to be the best phone of the year. Because of all the new features and all the capabilities it has, it really is just an amazing phone to have. It is also a major upgrade to the S9 Plus and phones before that. But if you bought a phone last year, you shouldn't really upgrade, as yes, it is a lot more powerful and better, but the price of the S10 Plus is $1,800 Canadian, and that is more than most laptops cost. So I would recommend this phone to anyone who is looking for a really good new phone to have, or if you guys are upgrading from a previous phone that isn't from last year.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and follow my social media links down in the description below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.